We're speaking to Mohamed Kisamfu from the TTFO. Hello, Mohamed.
Hello.
Welcome. Tell me, what are some of the characteristics of the Central Corridor?
Thank you. Central Corridor is a corridor which connects landlocked countries of DRC, Burundi, Uganda, and Rwanda to Port of Dar es Salaam through road networks, railway, and inland waterways. The Central Corridor has unique characteristics compared to other corridors in the region. The main characteristic is it has only one border crossing to both countries from Port of Dar es Salaam, which is in Tanzania. It has also shorter distance from Port of Dar es Salaam to destination, which is Kampala for Uganda, Kigali for Rwanda, Bujumbura for Burundi, and for DRC we have two destinations of Goma and Bukavu, which are on eastern side of DRC. Also, the Central Corridor has the best road networks in the EAC region compared to other corridors. The roads are paved throughout from the Port of Dar es Salaam to destinations.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, can you tell us about the Protocol Treaties that have been recently established and what that means for the corridor?
Okay, thank you. The Protocol Treaties were prepared to help operation of TTFO, and thanks to SSATP for helping establishing them. The protocols are grouped in four categories, namely the Central Corridor itself as the agency, the management of the corridor, and then the non-tariff barriers, NTBs. On the part of the corridor, the protocols defines the Central Corridor Transit Transport Facilitation Agency as a regional organization. It has a member states which are Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, DRC, and Tanzania, where the headquarters are set. It also says the agreement is already signed and ratified. It also defines that the operation of institution is for transit transport facilitation. When it comes to the management aspect, it defines the organs of the institution, which are the board and the Council of Ministers. The Council of Ministers is formed by ministers responsible for transport from the member states. And the board consists of 5 members from each countries, which are permanent secretaries from the transport ministries, and 5 members from each country, or for each country, which represents private sector. It also defines the route, which originates from the Port of Dar es Salaam by road to Uganda via Mutukura border, to Burundi via Kabanga, Kobero border, to Rwanda via Rusumo border, and to DRC via Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. On the aspect of route, it also has a component of combination of rail and water, which is from Dar es Salaam port to Mwanza port to the Lake Victoria to Kampala, as well as from Dar es Salaam port to Lake Tanganyika to countries of DRC and Burundi. And by rail from Dar es Salaam port to Isaka Dry Port in Shinyanga region, where it connects to the countries of Rwanda and Burundi.
Right. Mohamed, thank you very much.
Thank you. So.